Hey friends, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Danielle. Happy almost New Year. This New Year's Eve, I'm looking forward to a pajama party on the couch with my husband and our dogs watching the ball drop. Honestly, that's like what I want to do every New Year's Eve. Even though we're keeping things low-key, I still want to make it special. I've been noticing little wooden stars a lot lately at the craft store or online, and I think they are so pretty and whimsical. I've been looking for a reason to make something out of them, and New Year's Eve felt like the perfect opportunity. Today I have 3 festive wooden star projects that are perfect for New Year's Eve, no matter how you're celebrating. Let's get started. I think every good year should start with a little sparkle, so I'm going to use this as an opportunity to cover these wooden stars in glitter and make a garland. Before we get to the glittery fun part, we need to drill 2 holes in each star so we can thread the string through. I'm going to use about 6 feet of garland, so I'm going to need about 36 stars. To make this go faster, I'm going to drill 3 stars at a time. If you're comfortable with a drill, this is easy, however 1 at a time works just fine. I'm using a drill bit that's about the same size as the string for my garland. Give yourself a little room when you drill the hole in, don't get too close to the edge. And now we glitter. All you have to do here is lightly coat in Mod Podge. Just make sure that you're covering the whole star. I'm not planning on glittering the back of these, so I'm just going to do the front side. It makes it a lot easier when the back of your star isn't covered in glitter, so then you can easily find the holes. You'll see what I mean later. Now that we have all the Mod Podge on, lightly add some glitter. I'm using a gold fine glitter. Okay, now I'm just gonna let these stars dry. I didn't think you'd want to watch me glitter 33 more stars, so I've got the rest on standby. To finish these stars off, all we need is a little string. I'm using a gold cord that matches my stars. It's a lot faster if you have an embroidery needle, but it's not necessary. I want the string to be going towards the back, so I'm going to thread up and under. Once you thread through, just move the stars down the line. I like to space mine about 1 inch apart. Okay, to finish this garland off, we're just going to tie off each end. I'm just going to make a loop where I started and where I ended. It's as easy as that. This is so pretty, it's going to look so festive hanging up. Okay, let's be honest, it wouldn't be New Year's Eve if I wasn't wearing some kind of sparkly headband. This year, I thought it would be fun to make my own. All you need is an inexpensive plastic headband, and you can find these almost anywhere. We're going to start by glittering the stars. I'm using 5 stars, and I plan to glitter the front and back. I'm using 3 2-inch stars and 2 1-inch stars, but I'm going to wait to glitter the back until the end. We're going to hot glue these stars onto wire, and it's going to stick a lot better without the glitter. Just as before, coat the stars in a little Mod Podge. Now that our stars are coated, we're ready for glitter. So pretty. I'm loving this silver glitter. While the glitter dries, we're going to move on to step 2. I'm attaching the stars to the headband using an 18 gauge wire. I have my wire cut to 14 inches. Attach the wire by looping it around the headband on both sides and tighten it down. An 18 gauge wire is very easy to manipulate, so you shouldn't have any trouble. I'm attaching the wire at the same spot on both sides. Now that I've attached, I'm just bending the wire to get it where I want it. Okay, that looks great. Now I'm just going to add my ribbon. I'm using a ribbon that matches the glittery stars. I'm only adding a dot of hot glue where I start and where I finish. So I'm going to start by just adding a dot of glue here, and then I'm going to start tightly wrapping my ribbon around. When you reach the wire, loop it around a few times to try and hide it a bit. Once you've looped it around a few times, then just go under the wire and continue wrapping. I've reached the bottom, so I'm going to add another dot of hot glue. This is looking so festive already. I'm just going to adjust my wire a little more since it moved a little when I added the ribbon. That looks perfect. Now this headband is ready for stars. I like to save the stars for the end so you can really get them where you want them. It works best to start with the middle star and work outwards. Just add a small drop of glue to each star and place and hold until it's cooled down. Now to finish this off, I'm just going to add glitter to the back. I'm gonna bring in a smaller paintbrush and lightly coat with Mod Podge. Now, add a little more glitter, shake it off, and let dry. This looks so pretty, I can't wait to wear it. Okay, for my final project, I'm going to make cupcake star toppers. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Almost every grocery store has white cupcakes readily available, and if you take them out of the packaging and dress them up a bit, no one will ever know you didn't make them yourself. I'm gonna take these cupcakes, add a little glitter, and then add some DIY star toppers, and it's going to be adorable. All I'm gonna do here is add a tiny dot of glue to various sizes of stars and then attach them to toothpicks. I'm using 1/2-inch stars and 1-inch stars. Just add a tiny dab of glue on the back of your star, press in the toothpick, and then hold until it's cooled. Now that the stars are dry, I'm gonna add a little metallic silver and gold paint. I was going to add more glitter, but then I thought, what if the glitter got in the cupcakes? And the only glitter you want in your cupcakes is edible glitter, and the glitter I've been using is not edible. If you have a little floral foam, you can paint both sides at the same time and stick it in the foam to let dry. It just makes things a lot quicker. Paint both sides of the star. While my stars finish drying, I'm gonna dress up these cupcakes with some gold sprinkles. Now it's time for stars. I'm going to add a different star pattern on each cupcake to add a little interest. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, but don't worry, not so cute that I don't plan on eating all of them. Okay, well the champagne is popped, I've got my snacks, I've got my dogs, the movie marathon is keyed up, and we are all set for the coziest New Year's Eve ever. I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed these festive wooden star DIYs. Let us know in the comments below, what do you want to see us craft in the new year? We'd love to hear it. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. I'll see you next year. Bye!